So today I am going to discuss about the lesson electricity from the class 7 subject science. So today our topic is circuit diagrams. So before going to this, we need to discuss about the electric circuit. So what is electric circuit? Yes, now all the electronic equipments or all the electrical equipments has some wiring in it. Means equipments, there are different equipments are there, they are connected to the connecting wires. So all that is called, all the connections or wiring is called circuit, electrical circuit. Now for representing smaller electrical circuit it is okay, we can draw it, but for complex things it is very difficult for us to represent the electrical circuit. So for our convenience, the scientists, there are scientists which made things easy for us. So here what they did is they symbolizes the each and every electrical component. So means any electronic device or electrical device has so many electrical components connected with the connecting wires. Now what happened? They made the things easy. So they made so many symbols for the various electrical components in an electric circuit. So that's why now today we are going to discuss about that topic. Okay now. First let us check the definition. Okay now. So the picture, it is a picture, circuit diagram. It is a diagram means picture. That represents, what it represents? It always represents electrical circuit by using symbols. So similar, take a fan or take something, whatever electrical equipment. It has some wires connected. Okay now. It is not always possible for us to draw everything. So that's why we have a symbols here. So by using that symbols, we can simply draw it in a short form and compact form. Okay now. So that is called. So it is a diagram means it is a picture. What it represents? It represents the entire electrical circuit of any component, any electrical device or any electronic device. Understood? Which works on electricity. So it simplifies the complex structure, complex building or complex construction of the component devices. So now, coming to this one, again I am repeating the definition, very important. The picture that represents the entire electrical circuit by using symbols. Yes. So to draw electrical circuit from electrical circuit, a circuit diagram, we need symbols. We need to know the symbols. Yes, let us have some symbolic representations here. Now I have written here for 4 because with this 4 only I will explain with an example. Right. First one is bulb. So bulb, everybody know, this is the structure or construction of the bulb or picture of the bulb. But every time it is not possible, and while making curves there are so many different ways. There are so many different other distorted structures will come. So because everybody is not fine at arts, okay now, everybody is not able to easy to draw the bulb or circle. So I am very bad at it, but even though I have tried, it. So it is the device picture construction. Okay, an electronic device, electrical device or component is bulb. Now this is simply represented by this. Now it is very easy for us. Okay now, simply draw a freestyle M and add it and make a circle. That's everybody can do, even a child can do. So that's why this is the symbolic representation. Made the big things very easy. Now second one, glowing bulb. So it is the bulb which is not glowing. Okay now, here glowing bulb. What glowing bulb? How to represent? Simply some rays are coming out of the bulb. As it glows, it radiates energy. It gives us light. Means light rays are right. Now further, simply this is bulb. Simply whatever we have done rays here, do it simple. Okay na? It is very simple, children. Okay, right? Now third one I made is cell. So generally cell is like this. Okay na? So it is ever ready, but I have written there should be copyrights. That's why I have changed the name here. Okay na? Coming to this, every time it is not possible to draw. If there are one cell, no problem. If there are two, no problem. If there are 10 cells, yes, we cannot do it. Okay na? You find some toys having 6, 7 cells also, like electronic piano, etc. That can be not drawn because every time, why should we draw? Okay na? Yes, there is a symbolic representation is there. So to represent the cell, okay na, we have simply two lines, two parallel lines. One is bigger in size, one is smaller in size. Bigger in size represents the positive terminal where is a bird. Okay na, positive terminal of the cell, and small size line represents the negative terminal of the cell. That's it. If there are seven cells, it is very difficult for us and it gives so much length. Is it or not? Now 7, not 7. We can write 70 within this length only. Simply make it fast, lines only. Okay na? Right. This is the advantage. Now you need to make opposite. Right. And switch. It has different forms, different structures. There are so many switches are available in the market in different styles. But there should be one standard form. Okay na? Yes. This has a switch. And in symbolic representation, it can be represented like this. There are two terminals and these are the wires and they are not connected. That's it. They are not connected. If they are connected, then switch is in on position. If they are not connected, the switch is in off position. Got it, Nana? Very simple. If these are connected, switch on. What happened? Everything will come. Okay, na? If you take it out, switch off everything. Okay, na? So this is switch off condition, Nana. If we touch this line here, this is switch on condition. That's it. This is the circuit diagram definition and some symbolic representation. Now, by using this data, yes, we have now this data. By using this data, let us explore an example. A circuit diagram of torchlight. Circuit diagram of torchlight. Right. What are the components? Means how torch is made. Okay, now torches are made by 4 components, 4 electrical components. They are bulb. Okay, I think everybody knew, but again I am telling bulb. Second one, cells. There are more than one cell. Okay, na? Right. And here, third one, switch. There should be switch on-off button. Fourth one, if you see inside, we get a ring. Okay, na? And a wire like that. So they are called connecting wires. They are called connecting wires. Now coming to the electric circuit, it should be. It is not a torch. Okay, na? I have not drawn. Okay, na? Let us draw. Let us draw. Why should we leave? Right. Yes. Yes. This is like this. Okay, na? So if you switch it on, it will glow. If you switch it off, it will off. That's it. Okay, na? So this is the circuit, electrical circuit of the torchlight. Okay, na? Torchlight. Don't say battery. Battery has another meaning. Okay, na? But why I am telling like battery means for our understanding only. Okay, na? It is generally torchlight. This is also a familiar word, but we need to use it. Okay, right. Now every time if I want to tell about torchlight, okay, na? Or if I want to explain about torchlight, I am not good at drawing, but even though, okay, na? Yes, we have this now. Make use of this. What is this? Circuit diagram. The picture that represents the entire electrical circuit in a symbolic form. That's it. Now, here what are the components? We have seen already. Bulb, cells, switch. Yes. This is connecting wire. Okay, na? Yes. Now, bulb. We know The bulb is represented by this one. If it is glowing, we can draw this one. If it is not glowing, we can go with that. Now cells. Yes, if there are n number of cells, we can easily write because this is a two parallel lines. One is bigger, one is smaller. Do remember, bigger one is always plus, smaller one is always minus. Means bigger one is positive terminal, smaller one is negative terminal. Right. Now switch. So if it is in off position, it is like this. If it is in on position, simply that's it, touch them. Right. Now a bulb. First a bulb. Bulb is written here like this. Okay, now drawn here like this. Now it is connected to switch. So that's why it is connected to switch. Here it is, switch is in off mode. Now that switch is connected to negative terminal of the cell. Yes, it is connected to the negative terminal of the cell. Now this cell is connected to another cell. So that's why this is connected to another cell. Here this is positive and this is negative. Positive, negative. Again this positive terminal is connected to the bulb. Yes, that's why we have added this to bulb. If it is switched on, now what happened? This will going to touch here. Automatically the circuit completed, electrical current will pass. Yes, the bulb will glow. That's it. Okay na? So this is the representation. Okay na? Picture representation of the torch light. Hence, as it is a picture representation, we call it as circuit diagram. What is that? Circuit diagram. Thank you.